The sound of the letter U. 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 U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umpire. Umpire. U is for us. Us. U is for upset. Upset. U is for unhappy. Unhappy. U is for ugly. Ugly. U is for unwell. Unwell. U is for under. Under. U is for uniform. Uniform. U is for university. University. U is for use. Use. U is for upload. Upload. U is for unlock. Unlock. U is for unzip. Unzip. U is for underwater. Underwater. U is for up. Up. U is for on. On. U is for underwear. Underwear. U is for upstairs. Upstairs. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for unique. Unique. U is for Uggs. Uggs. U is for uphill. Uphill. U is for unplug. Unplug. U is for other. Other. U is for Uranus. Uranus. U is for undo. Undo. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. U is for underline. Underline. U is for undergarments. Undergarments. U is for Uriel. Uriel. U is for U-turn. U-turn. U is for unite. Unite. U is for amber. Amber. U is for underground. Underground. U is for upside down. Upside down. U is for ukulele. Ukulele. U is for units. Units. U is for utensils. Utensils. U is for UB. UB. U is for you people. You people. U is for uppercase. Uppercase. U is for union. Union. U is for urchin. Urchin. U is for universe. Universe.